What's going on YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades, where I bring you daily AMC technical analysis, price predictions, and of course the latest and greatest news. If you would be so kind enough to hit that like button and subscribe, I would be greatly appreciated. So yes, I did get a haircut. I did shave up a little bit because tomorrow is my birthday. So guys, obviously high hopes for AMC next week. Let's absolutely jump into this video and of course first start with the technical analysis. So, of course, today was a down day, as we can see here on the one-day chart, but still we are respecting this channel that we've been talking about for literally 2.5 weeks now. We will take a look at the 1-minute candlesticks just to see what happened today and what the charts look like from a technical perspective. All right, Weeble, let's get the move on. Come on now. All right, so obviously, yes, we did have a rough start to the morning, and we'll zoom out here and so we can see the full picture of what happened. Mostly the downward price action started from this morning, where we did start around $55, $56. And geez, sorry guys, I'm on my Mac using my scroll bar right now, so this is taking forever. But here we are. We did see this sell off right in the morning down here to $52.97, which was the low of the morning. Made a rebound in the mid-morning, late afternoonish. Traded down, but for the majority of the day, or the last of the day, we did trade sideways, which is really good to see. Of course, we can confirm this consolidation right here on the MACD, and also in the RSI when it is respecting the 30 and 70 level. So that's always great to see. Not much with the OBV, and of course, volume wasn't too crazy today, and that's pretty typical on Fridays, guys. Fridays is really a day where most of the time we will trade down just about 1 to 3% and trade sideways for the rest of the day. We'll take a look at the 1-hour chart quickly before we jump into really what I'm going to call the calm before the storm. Really took a look today at some pre-market data that has come out, really showing that, of course, volume is decreasing significantly, which a lot of people may take that as a bad thing. I'm interpreting that as a really good thing. So, of course, as we can see here on the MACD, again, we are respecting this channel very well. Take a look down here at the MACD. MACD has literally been flat for the past 3 or 4 days, where we've been right around that 0 level. RSI, same thing. We are below 50, and really my rule of thumb with RSI is anything over 50 is an upward momentum. Below 50, downward momentum. But of course, guys, we're right at 41, and it looks like we did have a double bottom, almost a triple bottom on the RSI, so we could expect some moves higher next week. We'll definitely have to tell here. Anyways, what I do want to show you guys, and what a lot of people have been talking about, is the data from, late May, early June, and how it is looking exactly the same to right now. So guys, before we had this run up, this massive run up from just about, call it $10 all the way to $72, we were literally flat for months at a time, which of course is extremely boring and painful, especially for a lot of you new AMC shareholders or who are looking for literally financial freedom and for this to go to the moon. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time, and patience is truly key here, guys. So, of course, we are going to take a look here at this screenshot of Excel. What we do here is we took all of the pre-market volume and try to get an average, which is 495,000 shares traded in pre-market, which is a pretty good number here. As we can see, the first run-up, and we'll jump back here, really started, we're going to call this May 24th. All right, let's take a look at May 24th. May 24th's volume was right around 20,000. And literally for the next couple of days, this went absolutely insane. And of course, I'm not showing all of the data, but literally this has been the trend where we have low pre-market volume, price declines for quite a bit of time, and then it starts ticking up, and then boom, explodes. Look at this. June 1st, June 2nd, June 3rd, almost 2 million in pre-market. That's absolutely insane. And sorry, guys, that's my my work group chat going off here. Anyways, guys, this is really looking very, very similar here, where we have this consolidation and the huge run-up. So the day of the explosive action was June 2nd, which of course shows it right here. And of course, June 3rd was that kind of nowhere candle where we had a big gain, big drop, and ended up somewhere in the middle. But anyways, this data is looking really good where we had that decreasing. We've had this severely decreasing volume in pre-market. And today, June 25th, literally 15,000 pre-market. That's nothing compared to what we've seen. But of course, look what happened. When we had that low volume, it started ticking up substantial and then had that run up. So I remember when that first happened, it was a couple days of 10%, then the next day was 15% gain, 20% gain, and then literally we had a day where we had 90% gain. And this is truly the calm before the storm. We're coming, where am I now? We are coming to the end of this wedge-shaped formation, which on my calendar right now looks to be like, I would say late June, early July, and that's when we can expect the next run-up. Now, I'm not calling this the squeeze. The squeeze, we don't know exactly when this is going to happen, but I think significant price action could definitely be happening late June, early July. Of course, that is really going to put pressure on the short sellers. And of course, with all these new rules, and especially NSCC 002 that came out saying you have to meet margin requirements that day, and if you don't, within an hour, a margin call may come. So this is going to put extreme stress on the hedge funds that are short on AMC and GME. And we can expect to see a run up, like I said, late June, early July, if this does hold. So this is my theory. This absolutely is not financial advice. This is not 100% accurate, but this is truly what I believe is going to happen. So guys, for all of you who are looking at these charts for the past 2 weeks and like, I'm bored, I'm going to jump ship, I'm going to go into some shit coins or whatever the hell you want to invest in, look at this video, share it to some family, friends, and then make your decision. Hold tight, guys. I know it's a long, painful battle that we're in right now, but my God, is it going to be worth it in the end? All right, guys. Well, like I said, tomorrow is my birthday, so definitely wish me a happy birthday in the comments section. Gonna do Red Sox game and Yankees game this weekend, so that should be fun. Of course, I'm from the New England area, so go Red Sox. All right, everyone. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll be touching base with you guys on Sunday. Until then, peace out.